Bruchim Aboyim. Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn something from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. This week's Parshas Nitzavim. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 30, we read the following. In verse 11 it says, Ki mitzvah zos asher nochi mitzavcha hayom lenefleisi mimcha v'lerechokehi. This commandment which I command thee this day, it is not too hard for thee, neither it is far away. Lo v'shamayim hi leimor, mi'alu lanu v'shamayim v'kechel lanu v'yishminu v'yisafin asanah. It's not in heaven that thou shouldest say, who shall go up for us to heaven and bring it unto us and make us to hear it, that we may do it. Neither is beyond the sea that thou shouldest say, who shall go over the sea for us and bring it unto us and make us to hear it, that we may do it. But this word is very close unto thee, in thy mouth and in thy heart, to do it. Rashi says on verse 12, it is not in heaven. If the Torah were in heaven, you'd have to go up to heaven to learn it. Says the Heilige Zayd in Maharal Prague, if it was in heaven, what does it mean? Meaning to say that just if the Torah was in heaven, would not prevent us from taking it. Because for sure a prophet could go up to heaven and take it. So their aim explains that we don't explain it that if it were in heaven that would prevent us from taking it. That's what it seems to say. Meaning now that it's not in heaven, we have nothing to hold us back. Nonetheless, if it were, we would have to bring it. But that's not the way we're understanding it. It was already given to them. So what does it mean? If it were in heaven, you'd have to go up to heaven to take it and to learn it. But Baruch Hashem, we have the Torah here on earth, and so now is our duty to learn it, especially in this generation. We have so much access to Torah on the internet, through Sefaria and other websites and apps. We have no excuse. The Talmud tells us different people had different challenges. No one was more beautiful than Yosef Tzaddik, than Joseph in the book of Genesis. No one was poorer than Rabbi Akiva, etc. And there was another Tana who was known for his wealth. Wealth doesn't prevent us, and poverty doesn't prevent us, and good looks don't prevent all. There's an answer for everything, and so too nowadays. If we have a phone, we have a computer, we have an obligation to learn as much Torah as possible. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.